Oli has produced a method that has helped him step more into line with the ball. When he does this, he hits the ball easily, which results in the ball going in front of square rather than to go.
Okay, but we want to play a nice drive, don't we, really, if we can? Good effort, Oli. Okay, you got much closer to that. Just wait for the ball. Don't be so keen to try and hit the ball. Let's try and think about our body positions. Right, I've seen you do it now. So whatever you just did, you've got to try and do that again. Okay, so whatever was going through your mind, get that back. Forget about it. There we go. You've done 2 out of 3 now. Okay, so you're obviously thinking about something that's making you now do it. Okay, so whatever it is, keep thinking about it.
Oh, sorry. I thought he was standing like that.
Okay. Doesn't matter. Just forget about it. Right. Come on then, let's concentrate on what you've just done twice. I've seen it now. Nah. Back to normal. Better, you were much closer to that. And again, Oli, well done. Okay, not worried about you missing that, that was a wide ball. Keep pushing towards it. Well played, good boy, there you go. Lovely. Good effort, you're getting so much closer to that, brilliant. Well played, well adjusted, okay, perfect. Played it easy.
Oli's stance tends to be very open, which turns his front shoulders pointing towards mid-arm. When his weight is forward, this results in his front foot planted down laid stump, and his back pointing towards third step. Oli needs to square up his shoulders and feet so that his bat is taken back towards middle and off stump.
Good shot, okay, that was there to hit, well done. Well played, Oli, there you go, that was really nice. Hang on. Make sure you're watching. Yes, Oli! Nice and positive with your bat. Nice and positive.
When the ball is released, Oli needs to dip his shoulder more towards the line of the ball. This seemed to help him get to line with the ball better and help him move his foot towards the ball.
It's alright. Good effort, Oli. That's really good, that. Play, boy. Excellent. Oh, look how far you went away from that one. Doesn't matter, it went straight down, that never would have been caught. Good shot, you got into line well then, that was good, Oli. Good effort. 2 more. Whoa. Shot.